welcome to our free electricity producing station. Good morning everyone. Myself Shreya. Myself Diksha. Myself Eshikapi. And myself Shreya. Yes. We are from 6th standard. We are going to explain about free
Electricity producing.
station. Shreya, do you know how to light the bulb without an electricity? Yes, of course. Let's try with an experiment. Take the water and put the salt into the water. Mix it well. Take a bulb and put the bulb into the salt water. The bulb will glow. Why? Because it contains ions and sodium. It helps to carry the current to pass through it. Tikshna, do you know when we dip the bulb into a pure water, the bulb will glow or not?
No, bulb will not glow.
Why?
Let me explain with an experiment. This is the bulb, this is the pure water. When we dip the bulb on a pure water, it was not glowing because desiccated water is a bad conductor of electricity. It doesn't contain any used to carry the current. So the circuit was not complete for bulb glow. Eshika, do you know how to glow the bulb in high level?
Yes, I know. Take the water, put the salt into the water. Mix it well. Take the screws and wire, connect it with an holder of the bulb and the bulb. Keep the one screw and wire to the salt water. The bulb was glowing or not? No. When we dip the twist screws and wire to the water, the bulb was glowing. Do you know why? No. Compared to the salt water, wire is a good conductor of electricity. It can easily carry the current to pass through it.
When we dip the bulb into a salt water, it will glow deeply. Why, Eshika?
It will glow very deeply because when we dip the bulb into the salt water is a relatively poor conductor of electricity and it has less iron. So the bulb was glowing very deeply.
Do you know how to glow the bulb without any salt water? No. I will show that. Take a bulb and this is a potato. When we put a bulb on a potato, the bulb will glow because potato contains a salt water content. Do you know what is conductor and insulator?
No.
Conductor means the object which can pass current through it. That we call as a conductor. For example of conductor is screw. When we put a screw on a potato, after that I will put a bulb on a screw. The bulb will glow because it is a conductor. Another one example of conductor is pin. When we put a pin on a potato, after that I will put a bulb on a pin. The bulb will glow because it is also conductor. Insulator means the object which does not pass current through it. That we call as an insulator. When we put, for example of insulator is thermocol. When we put a thermocol on a potato, after that I will put a bulb on a thermocol. The bulb will not glow because it is an insulator. Another one example is cardboard. When we put a cardboard on a potato, after that I will put a bulb on a cardboard. The bulb will not glow because it is also insulator.
Thank you for visiting our free electricity producing station.